Hi folks, this is Larry. I'm so happy you could stop by and view this video today. Today we're going to try and save you a little time and save you from getting burnt from hot grease or water if the handle comes off one of your pots. You'll see videos all over online about how to fix the handles, but everybody's got an issue of what they're going to use to hold it. Most glues, when the pot gets hot, the glue doesn't hang on. It can't take the heat. The metal's expanding, so it breaks loose. You tighten up the handle, a couple of days later it's loose again. It's an ever fighting battle there. I'm going to show you what you can use on this. It takes the heat, will not come loose on you. You take the handle out, you want to wire brush it, and you want to wire brush the threads and make sure there's no oil or grease on the handle or on the threads when you're doing this. And all we're going to use a gasket cement. It's meant for hot engines. The heat's not going to affect it. It's not going to be toxic to your food or anything because it's not going to be in contact with any food. It's only going to be on the threads hidden inside the handle. So you don't have to worry about any of that. It's very, very easy to use. And there's quite a few different gasket cements you can get. What I'm going to use is Ultra Black. And basically, it can be taken, the handle can be taken off. It will keep the screw from vibrating out, but if you put on a couple of the others, you won't get that handle back off ever. So if you break your handle, you're just going to have to buy a new pot. So use this one here. You can take the handle back off if you have to. I will show you another product after that you can put on if you want it to stay on. Now just put it all the way around the threads. Put it on kind of heavy, but not enough that it's going to squeeze all over the place. Now once you put it on, you want to go ahead and mount it. And what I like to do is I leave them 24 hours to make sure that it really sets up good before I put it on the hot stove. So make sure you line it up the right way and just tighten it up. Now that screw is actually a Phillips head, but I've never had much luck getting a Phillips screwdriver to work on these type of screws. A lot of them are rounded. So if you use a flathead, which is what I'm going to end up switching to, now you want to snug it up. You do not want to over tighten it where you can crack the handle. Just tighten it down. Basically finger tight, and the product will hold it. The screw is not going to come out. If for any reason you do have a problem with the screw coming out, I'll show you another product, like I said, that will hold it and it won't come out. You won't get scrubbed. Now this pot is a little discolored from heat. I'll show you in one of my other videos on how you can take that out very, very easy. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to show you this other product, and this one here, when you put this on, this is the JB Wells brand. It's the Blue RTV. You can see that little bottom hole in my hand. I don't know if you'll see it in the video. You can see it's all chopped up. I got some on the threads on that on a valve cover. In order to get that thing out, I kept stripping the heads off with the sockets. I ended up using a hammer and a chisel to get that thing out. So it's not going to come off if you put it on. Thanks for stopping by.